The movement of prana and the movement of God are not different. Watch your breathing. Without the vital life force, the feeling I am will not be there. Consciousness in the body is the characteristic guna of prana. They are not separate. Once you have realized the self, it is not at all necessary to put on a special pose. That would be a sign of ignorance. To grow a beard, to look impressive, etc., is tied to body consciousness. They are not the characteristics of the self. The concept that you may take for your meditation will be realized and you will have visions accordingly. They are all unreal. There is no method comparable to listening to such talks. Once you listen to this, liberation is within reach. The manifest principle has movement, but the unmanifest does not. It is without qualities. As old age comes, childhood and youth go away automatically. It is not necessary to renounce them with purpose. Similarly, your ego should naturally fade away. No experience is lasting. There is no creator of the world, nor is there a sustainer, nor a destroyer. All happens spontaneously. What we know becomes the source of our happiness or sorrow. That which is not known to us cannot be the source of our happiness or sorrow. Mind is the concept, and concept is the mind. The concept gives birth to whatever it likes. Such is the kingdom of the mind. The self has no association. When one understands the concept, simultaneously one realizes that which is without concepts. This becomes possible even by listening. What you have learnt from childhood has become the real world for you. Jiva, Jagat, and Brahman, individual soul, the world, and the supreme self, are concepts. The concept creates its own meanings, resulting in the three gunas. At the root, there is the manifest consciousness. When consciousness becomes active through dealings, the mind is created. The manifest consciousness is the base on which the mind floats. When we get up from sleep, at that moment we feel we are, prior to any words. That is the basic thought. How did this world come into existence? It is like a dreamer creating a dream world without doing anything. We feel the world to be real because we feel our body to be real, and vice versa. Though the world is immense, there is not an iota of truth in it. The unmanifest became manifest and created the mind. The mind created the world, which appears to be real. The one who goes beyond the manifest and remains in the unmanifest cannot quite say, "Now, I am unknown to me." First comes consciousness, then the mind is created through it, followed by all the activities. In the absence of consciousness, is it possible to do anything? The feeling I am is a natural concept. That concept is never satisfied. When you try to be one with your consciousness, mind comes in the way. Keep trying. Pay attention to the source from which consciousness has appeared. This consciousness is untrue. The listener should watch himself rather than interfering in the affairs of others. He should take the opportunity to see or know what he is. After knowing the meaning of the concept, you will know that the world is a joke. Absolutely nothing has happened. I have not seen anybody. Nobody has ever seen me. This will be your conviction. Whatever desire you do penance with, it projects on your mind and everything appears accordingly. The life force takes shape and then come the visions. If you act with body consciousness, concepts will proliferate. If you make friendship with your pure consciousness, it will uncover its true nature. When consciousness knows what it is, it vanishes and what remains is vijnana, true direct knowledge that has no name. If you behave accordingly, sooner or later you will realize that you never had any experience of the world. Then where is the question of going about in such a world? Till such time that you know this, do all your dealings as you like. Look after the household. Do not run away from it. When you were born, you were in your natural state before you started hearing words. After what you heard, which you believed was true, you have come to the present state. What has entered your mind so far is behaving in different ways. The greatest endeavor is to understand oneself, that you must achieve. Then the secret of the whole world will be understood. When you realize yourself, you will understand the world at the same time. You will know what you are. Have the firm conviction that I am what the Guru told me. In worldly dealings, you can use your identity as a man or a woman, but do not keep it within you. Everything depends upon who you are going to die as. Death is only a word. It is never an experience. What will you experience other than Brahman when there is nothing else other than Brahman? You have become the disciple of the mind. Mind is designing you. Mind does not know its source. Your conviction should rest in the Guru's word. Guru initiated me means he told me about my true nature. Believing it to be true, if one behaves with conviction, then the truth will be known. From other people's point of view, a man is dead. From the point of view of a Janani, he has become free of his delusion. I am such and such, a woman or a man, is the delusion. First the food gets ready and then the jiva takes birth through that. The nature of the food is the same as that of the jiva. The body is only transformed food. It is the food for consciousness. So long as there is consciousness, there is hunger and thirst. Either you become determined through the Guru's word or keep on stumbling in vain. That experience to which you are attracted today is false. It will not last. You may take the best nutrition and stay strong. Yet when old age comes, the hands and feet are sure to shake. Think of that. Surrender to consciousness which says, Jai Guru, Jai Guru. Because you believe that you are the body, such concepts as I am a child, I am a youth, I am old, occur to you. I am surely here and always will be. The body goes on changing. This is the discrimination. If you like this content, please hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.